Hi, I'm John, and this is The Workshop.
Fish in the sea, you know how I feel.
So today for my pre-show routine, I had to go home and walk my dog to make sure that he was well prepared for if we end up staying out after.
Usually to warm up, I like to soothe my throat muscles with a nice cold beverage, gin and tonic.
Just really pumped. I think it's going to be a great show. I'm excited to hear you on percussion. Very excited about that.
You have a couple solos tonight. Are you excited about them?
I'm very excited. It should be a fun show.
Yeah, it should be really great. We're excited about it too.
I'm ready, yeah.
Ready for a
we're
solo?
gonna have a great night, yeah.
Excellent.
Oh, I would say he's the most attractive member of the group. I have to say that.
That's right.
Big show. Is this your first show at the Bitter End? Your first big show.
Yeah, pretty excited.
Bud Light, a warm shot of Jameson maybe, which isn't cold.
And then I picked out my outfit to go with the color scheme of black, white, and denim. And then I did some vocal warm-ups while I was getting ready.
Are you ready for the show tonight?
I'm so ready for the show tonight.
I've never been more nervous for anything in my life.
Yeah, it's a lot of dance moves.
You know how I feel.
Bought some water at the local 7-Eleven. And here I am, ready to go.
Beyonce is one of my spirit animals, just one.
Come take my hand, I won't let you go. I'll be your friend, I will love you so deeply. I will be the one to kiss you at night. I will love you till the end of time. We'll be together with a roof right over our head. We'll share the shelter. Oh, my single bed. We'll share the same room. Just roll by the bread. Is this love? 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 Is this love?
Got a fire for a heart. I'm not scared of the dark. You've never seen it look so easy. I've got a river for a soul, and baby, you're the road. Baby, you're my only reason. If I didn't have you, there would be nothing left. Nothing left. Shell of a man who can never be his best. If I didn't have you, I can't see the sun taught me how to be someone. Yeah, my life stood by me. No one else was ever behind me.
Never kissed your name. I'll get you tight until you go. You come this far. As you ever gonna get until you realize that you should go. Loving me is
Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 Come on, be my baby.
Thank you to all our fans on Instagram, Facebook, our website, our posters.
Come on, be my baby, come on. Where I go, my friends, I do shots, drink plastic, drink slow.
And thank you, Matt, for being a great videographer.